one lap fits like a glove was really kind of conceived talking about doing the perimeter of Michigan.
We had 2 engineers and then we had 2 photographers. It provided a different viewpoint of the trip.
I love riding on 2 wheels, so going outside of an everyday 20-mile ride really piqued my interest. And I love Michigan. I thought, what a great way to go see it all.
I've longed for this place for so long. Now I lay me down and be long. And I breathe in the air fresh from the blessed Midwest. I am held by the forest where I go for rest, and washed by the waters of Lake Michigan. And wherever I go, I will return again to my the blessed Midwest.
Jon and Ron are both professional photographers. They chose the date early June, which of course wound up being a very rainy time, which it always is the beginning of June.
Riding in the rain, in the wind, in inadequate gear, that was one of the most challenging things.
We wanted to throw a little element in there, maybe a little different, and camp. That was kind of my idea, which in hindsight, due to the weather, I wish it wasn't.
Your teeth are nasty and you've been eating weird food, and you got to figure out where you're going to go to the bathroom as cleanly as possible, and get dressed out of the trunk of your scooter and then get on it and ride again.
Washed by the waters of Lake Michigan. Wherever I go, I will return again to my the blessed Midwest. The blessed Midwest.
One lap crew who are just here on their 5th second run tour.